Two, $7.50, $5, so that's $2 off, and then $5.50, $11. And
You got a lot of sea right now.
just wait. Ian, where'd you go? Oh, that's here. It's fine.
You know, watch out.
Nothing at 3, right? I thought there was a 3 o'clock show.
They could eat people. They could eat.
Mama's gonna touch the show.